Hi everyone, my name is Orsi, aka Rocky, and welcome to Phoenix Vocal Studio. Today I'm going to talk about Zhōu shēn. I really hope that I said his name correctly. So that was also requested. So I checked him out. I watched and listened some of her performances, and I chose Memory for many reasons. But yeah, let's see what's happening in the video. Okay, so let's do it. Well, I cannot say that I wasn't shocked when the first time I heard him singing and heard his voice. Obviously, that wasn't the voice I expected. He started in a beautiful, very light and gentle way and sound, head voice, a little bit breathy head voice, so it's not a full clear, it's actually a little bit breathy, but it's beautiful. Yeah, absolutely. All right, let's see.
She's smelling alone in the land with the leaves falling at my feet, and the wind begins to mourn. Memory alone in the moonlight.
It's interesting actually how he started Memory, because Memory, so he actually started on falsetto and then kind of flipped into head voice like Memory. If you don't know what's the difference, falsetto is more in the front, it resonates in the nasal cavity, and head voice resonates in the back. So falsetto is a very breathy sound. Officially head voice is used for classical singing, like if you sing in opera and songs like stuff like that. But you can also make it breathy. So basically he started Memory on falsetto, but then he flipped into head voice. Interesting. It's very interesting. It's usually, as far as I remember, Barbara Streisand sang this song. Yeah. And Barbara Streisand actually uses a lot of belting and mix, so it's a little bit different. This is a little bit more classical approach, which I find quite beautiful, especially when a man sings it like that.
I can smell the old days. I was beautiful then. I remember the time I knew what happiness was. Let the memory live again. Every street lamp seems to beat a fatalistic warning. Someone noticed and the street lamp got dark, and soon it will be morning.
God, when he sang this morning, this was just so incredibly touching. And I love actually how he builds up the song, how beautifully. It's very, very important to actually build up a song dynamically, vocally, technically, everything, because that's how actually a song is happening. So you cannot start straight away with bang, because if you start the beginning like with all of your heart, all of your energy, then when you're gonna go at the end. And this is actually beautiful, and it definitely tells that he's a professional. He knows, he feels it, not just knows, he feels the whole song, definitely knows how to express those emotions. And this voice is, to me, it's like an angelic voice, and it sounds like, and I hope, don't take it as an offense, because it's not an offense, it's definitely a compliment. When I listen to him singing, to me, it feels like like an inner child, like a child singing in a man's body. To me, this story, when he sings, it's something very, very, very personal. It definitely touches me. Oh yeah. Sorry. Yes. So when sing, I always tell that singing is not rocket science. Singing is a way of expression. Singing is a way of communication. Singing is telling your story, and when you tell your story honestly, you are vulnerable. You have to take you have to accept the fact that you're going to be vulnerable if you're honest. And when you are able to express yourself like this, when you're able to tell your story like this, so purely, so clearly, without no filter, this is when actually you can touch people. And that's why I felt like I can actually feel that there is a child singing in a man's body. So this, whatever he sings about, whatever his story is, that he's coming from a very pure and very deep place.
I must wait for the sunrise. I must think of a new life. And I must
Even the lyrics, I must think of a new life. It's just so obvious. It's so obvious. And by the way, so I'm smiling because I love their I guess the competitors, their reaction. They are like, see, they are with him. They are really with him. And I love that I don't see any kind of sign of jealousy. This is, guys, can you imagine how rare it is when you are in a competition? You automatically, I mean, like, you would compete. However, I would say that it's not about the competition. When we are singers, when we express, it cannot be a competition when it's about our awakening, when it's about our growth, our development, our improvement, our self-development and personal development. It cannot be, there is no competition when we're talking about. And I love their reaction. They feel it too. That's the thing. I'm like, when you are pure, when you're honest, people feel it. It's not about acting. When you act, that's when you find people like, something is odd. But when you're honest, when it's coming through, people cannot be jealous because they're like, fuck this is amazing. And I feel him. So anyway. Ah.
be there when the dawn comes. Tonight will be home and full.
People are shocked. I can see, like, they are in trance.
这记忆也在凋零。请你的脸向我靠近，哪怕一步的距离，流亡在孤单里。
And here he changed language, and it's very interesting how his voice changed immediately. He changed the language because every language has a different, obviously different tonality, different. We create our vowels, consonants from a different place, and it changed actually the way he sang. So it's, and the sound as well. So it's incredible.
只要你愿意，你也会感到我的真心。
But it's coming through. Doesn't matter which language he sings.
那晨光已来。
Yeah, so it definitely. But to me, this is so. This performance, the way he sings, it's just so pure. That's the best word I can say. So pure, so angelic, so clear, with no filters, and And the world needs this. Needs singers, artists like this, like them. Because this is singing. This is real singing. I consider this singing. So thank you very much for actually showing me this amazing singer, Zhōu shēn. If that's not how you pronounce, please help me out. I wanna make it clear. I wanna make it right. So thank you very much. I really hope that actually this video was helpful for you. If you have any questions or you want to know more about consultation or singing lessons, please go to my website. You'll find the link below the video. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Bye-bye. If you are someone who has no chance to take one-to-one lessons for any reasons, you can join our membership site where you can get a lifetime access for audio, video exercises, instructions, explanations. And not only the exercises, you can find the audio files which you can use every single day till the rest of your life. You can ask as many questions as you want from me, from your vocal coach, about any technique, any song, any band, any singer. You find the link below the video, so you can start your training even today. Thank you very much and see you soon.